Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a PVC union ball valve. I'll show you guys what it is and how it looks here. And it comes with two of them. I'll show you just one of them and put the other one here aside. Sorry, I'm working with a thumb with some issues on it. Get some Chinese stuff written on the side, so I'm not going to have a whole lot of information. But this is the ball valve here. So if you have some PVC pipe and you need to have a good valve on it, this is going to connect up to that, so you can screw this out. It's super heavy duty. So there, my buddy has a well that he is, and he has the water coming from the well to the house, and every once in a while when he's doing service on it, he needs to be able to turn it off. So that's what this is for. So I'll show you here how it works. So you can see the ball turns there, so it has a nice solid turn, and there the valve is closed, and then we can open it back up again. And there you go. You can see it's open. So here, when you see the TV behind it, there. So nice, good turning. These are nice, solid fittings here. So that is good. You can kind of take these apart and do whatever, but then it's got a nice fit on there. And so this will hopefully be a really good, solid valve in here. It looks like it has something here. You could probably screw something from the backside into it to hold it in place if you need to, but these are going to be on big PVC pipes. So these are good. I like this. Nice. And you get a set of two. Heavy duty. Totally good. So I like it. Thumbs up.